Hello and welcome to Technocare Industries SAP Geek. My name is Anurag and today I want to introduce you to my YouTube channel. My purpose for creating this channel is to help students, existing consultants and aspirants who wish to expand their functional and technical knowledge and learn SAP HR as well as SuccessFactors Employee Central Payroll. Let me introduce myself first. I have professional experience of 10 plus years in technology consulting for HR information systems and have worked with products like SAP HR on ECC, S4HANA, and SuccessFactors. I am SAP certified SuccessFactors Employee Central Payroll Consultant and subject matter expert instructor on Udemy with multiple courses published online. When I was in early stages of my career, I found it very difficult to learn niche skills required for advanced configuration of time management and payroll systems in SAP. I am running this channel since year 2018 and have 60 plus videos uploaded till date on areas like organizational management, personal administration, time management, payroll, employee central payroll, mashup applications, and advanced configuration using PCRs and schemas. Typically, these are the category of videos you would find on my channel. They can be overview videos, basic configuration, advanced configuration, tips and tricks, ABAP enhancements, best practices, latest updates, and country specific solutions. My videos will be majorly focused on SAP HR on S4 HANA on premise edition and SuccessFactors Employee Central Payroll public cloud edition of SAP products. Many videos are available free of cost on this channel. You can also support my channel by becoming a channel member and SAP geek like me. There are some benefits that you can avail for a very minimum cost. You can get access to member only videos which are dedicated only for training and advanced configuration. You can get early access to upcoming videos. You can get priority replies to the comments. And in addition to that, you can also help me in the process of identifying topics for my next upcoming video. All this you can do only for $2 or 159 rupees if you are in India. I have intentionally set this price low so that everyone can afford to develop skill sets they need to elevate their career to the next level. To become a channel member, all you have to do is press this join button next to subscribe button on my channel homepage. If you find yourself into in any of the category mentioned over here, you have come to the right place and hope to see you in my upcoming video. Thank you.